August 5th has marked 2 years since the detention of Pakistan's most popular political leader, former Prime Minister Imran Khan, following a predetermined unjust verdict by Judge Dilawar in a kangaroo court. Mr. Khan was initially held in a high-security prison in Attock, where he was denied his basic fundamental rights, which are accorded to every prisoner in keeping with the jail manual. In October of 2023, Imran Khan was moved to Rawalpindi's maximum security Diyala jail, where he was locked away in a tiny windowless cell where he has recently faced severe violations of the United Nations Nelson Mandela rules. The United Nations Working Group on Arbitrary Detentions determined that Mr. Khan's incarceration is unlawful, arbitrary, and politically motivated. A high turnout and high passion were witnessed in several cities around the world as overseas Pakistanis responded to Imran Khan's call for global protests. The injustice against a hero of Pakistan who has made his country proud all over the world is being recognized. Protesters demanded an end to human rights violations, including transnational repression, and the release of all political prisoners, including the arbitrarily detained former Prime Minister, cricketing hero, and philanthropist Imran Khan. A record-breaking protest took place at 10 Downing Street, London. Many other cities in Europe, including Paris, Brussels, Athens, Frankfurt, Brescia, Amsterdam, Oslo, Stockholm, and Dublin held protests throughout the week. In North America, large protests were held in several major cities, including Mississauga, New York, Calgary, Houston, Dallas, Sacramento, and in front of the Pakistan Embassy in Washington, D.C. Pakistani Americans came together in Chicago for a huge car rally that saw hundreds of vehicles displaying pictures of Imran Khan along with Pakistan and PTI flags. Hundreds of thousands of supporters of Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan rallied across the country to demand his release on the second anniversary of his imprisonment. Hundreds of people were arrested a day before the call for nationwide protests. Numerous homes were invaded in midnight raids, and party supporters were forced to sign affidavits that they would not join protests. PTI's MNAs were locked inside the parliament to prevent them from joining party workers. Party leaders, including the elderly Rehana Dar, were violently arrested in Punjab under the illegitimate Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz's watch. Police officers armed with heavy bamboo batons were seen smashing the windows of vehicles of Imran Khan's supporters. Despite the regime's brutality, Pakistanis from across the country came out in droves to demand the release of the country's most popular political leader and the return of their stolen mandate. While the local media was made to black out visuals and news of the protests, international media has widely reported on these protests.